Hi, I'm Marie and welcome to RV World. We all love spending time outdoors, but sometimes at the end of the day, you just want to kick up your feet and watch a bit of telly. If you're looking to add a TV to your RV, you'll probably need a satellite dish too. Standard TV aerials require a direct line of sight with the broadcasting tower. They work well in cities and populated areas, but when you get into the country with hills in the way, you'll need a satellite dish. Dishes are not affected by local topography, as they receive the signal from a satellite orbiting Earth. Satellite dishes come in a range of styles and sizes. The bigger the dish size, the better the signal quality. This is important in poor weather conditions, or if you want crystal clear, high definition. Prices can vary greatly between dish styles, so when choosing a dish you'll have to consider a few things, including how much use it will get, how convenient you would like the setup to be, the mounting location, and where you will spend most of your time. Portable satellite dishes are the most affordable option. They are great if you aren't moving often or don't have the space to mount a dish to your roof. They can be a little fiddly to set up, as you will need to know the bearing and elevation to point the dish at. This is also based on the region you're staying in. All this information will be supplied in the kit, but be prepared for setup time to take around 10 minutes once you've got the knack of it. A manual roof mounted dish is permanently fixed to the roof of your caravan or motorhome. It is adjusted from the inside of your vehicle with a control panel, located on the ceiling just below the dish. The dish is folded down against the roof while you drive or when your RV is in storage. They are easier than portable dishes to align because you can see the TV screen while you are aligning the dish. Installation typically takes around 4 to 5 hours. Setup time usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes once you are familiar with the process. Automatic satellite dishes are the most costly style, but they are our most popular. They are fixed to your vehicle roof and installation normally takes around 3 hours. Thanks to clever electronics, they automatically scan and lock onto a satellite just with the push of a button. This is fantastic as you will never have to worry about compass bearings and elevation charts. There are two types of automatic dishes: dome dishes and open dishes. Dome models are encased inside a plastic housing. They are cheaper because the components don't get exposed to the weather elements. The reflector plate used to receive the signal is compact, allowing it to fit neatly within the housing. Because it is smaller, the signal strength is reduced, so they can be a little bit susceptible to rain fade. Open dish models are built to withstand the elements and have bigger reflector plates. So they are the best option if you want to avoid rain fade and watch HD TV. At RV World we have a great range of dishes to suit every budget and convenience level. If you are still unsure of your requirements or if you have any questions, please get in contact with us. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you next time.